It is time.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
It's time to take this out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been a month.
Yeah.
It's held up really well. I got the Freetress Cozy Deep in 20 inches in the color number 4. Let me try and give you like a little close up. Ooh, girl. Exposed. I've been cutting it, like I've been trimming away the frizz for so long that the hair is starting to visibly thin. But yeah, I really love this hair. I mean, everyone loved this hair. I would get so many compliments on this hair. Like, if you get this every time you go out, like you'll at least get 2 compliments on your hair. I didn't expect to love this hair as much as I loved it. It's a little bit of a looser curl than I normally go for. I really like my tighter curls. And I also got brown, which I don't know, I was just feeling like switching it up, doing something different because I always do blonde. A lot of the underside will get matted, but I mean, nobody really sees it. Show you what it looks like in between. See, stuff like this I would just like cut and then keep wearing it. I mean, I'm sure people do more to their hair than I did. I didn't really, when I get crochet hair, I'm very lazy with it. I just put it in a pineapple at night and then take it down in the morning and then go through it, cut the knots, and then be on my way. I used 4 packs, and like halfway through the last pack, I cut the hair into 3 so that I could use it for the bangs. I would probably suggest getting 5 packs. I underestimated how thin the hair would be because I'm used to getting, like I said, curlier hair, so there's just more volume and more coverage. But with this hair, since it's like very wavy and like not curly, it's more of a wave, you're gonna need that 5th pack. I am going to take this down today, and my scalp will love me because it's been screaming for sweet release. The only cons to this hair is when I put it in, it's just very silky. It was slipping. Okay, story time. So I put this in right before I was going on a trip, and my mom was driving me to the airport. We had the windows down because it was a nice day. And you know, like you're driving on the highway, the windows are open, the air is kind of severe. So we're driving down the highway, and one of the hairs from my head comes untangled from my head and flies out the window before I could even catch it. It was just crazy. I was like, that's something I can never get back. Okay, I'm going to take the rest of this out and come back. So I took it all out, And this is what my braiding pattern looked like, so that I could have the bangs in the front. So I gotta attach this. I wish this was like on my forehead, because yeah, those bangs were like pushed back a little bit, and I already have a big forehead. I don't need anything pushed back. This is the side. All the black isn't new growth, because when I put this hair in, I did need to dye my hair already. So, but I mean, these were really tight. Not headache tight, thank God. I told her to loosen them up a little bit because I was getting a headache, but they were pretty tight. Like these tiny ones down here and in the back over here, these were like the tightest points. I can't wait to see it once it comes out, because I think she blow dried it and then put it into braids. So I don't know. I'm curious to see what it looks like after like a month of being braided. Will it still be curly or what? Okay. I love it. I really missed my hair, and I like the way that it turned out. But I have to wash it. I don't know, you're talking to a lazy girl here. My hair just looks good, and I don't have to do anything else for right now. Let's see, today's Tuesday.
But I have to wash it.
I can't even be like, oh, I'm just gonna go out during the weekend and then I'll wash it on Monday. It's Tuesday. I really have to wait. Yeah, I don't know. I'll come back when I have to wash it. It ain't gonna be today though. Hello people, it's a new day. Worse hair, worse mental health. It's Sunday. I'm gonna go wash it. This is what my hair looks like after I washed it, combed it, conditioned it, and put a little grease in it. And this is all the hair that I shed. It's not that much for a month of not combing my hair.